In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a web page inside Notion. This is a simple and effective way to bring external content directly into your workspace so you can view websites without leaving your Notion page. Embedding web pages is useful for dashboards, documentation, references, or any workflow where you want quick access to online content alongside your notes and projects. To get started, open the website that you want to embed. Make sure the page is fully loaded and displaying exactly what you want to appear in Notion. This step is important because Notion will embed the specific page linked by the website address. Once the page is ready, go to your browser's address bar and copy the full website URL. Be sure the link is complete, as incomplete or incorrect links may not embed properly. After copying the website address, switch over to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want the embedded web page to appear. Click anywhere on the page to place your cursor. This tells Notion where the embedded content will be added. From here, type /embed. When the menu appears, select the Embed option. This opens a small window asking you to paste a link. Paste the website URL that you copied earlier into the field provided. Once the link is in place, click Embed Link. Almost instantly, Notion will generate an embedded preview of the web page directly inside your page. Depending on the website, this preview may show the full page, an interactive version, or a simplified display. Once the web page is embedded, you can resize it by dragging the edges to better fit your layout. You can also move it around the page, placing it above or below other content as needed. This flexibility makes it easy to design clean and organized pages that combine internal notes with external resources. It is important to note that some websites may limit embedding due to their security settings. If a page does not display correctly, it may be restricted by the website itself, rather than an issue with Notion. In most cases, however, standard websites and tools embed without any problems. By embedding web pages in Notion, you can reduce tab switching and keep all your important resources in one place. This helps improve focus, organization, and overall productivity. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.